So hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing really fine. I hope you're doing really well. And today I have with me a very special person, and we'll be discussing some really important things on this in this video. So make sure to watch the video. And it was really a pleasure that you have come to share some really important things on this channel. Now, please tell us about yourself to this audience.
Thanks a lot for inviting me. I am Priyanshu Prakash. I am from Mechanical Engineering Department of BIT Sindri.
And Priyanshu, considering your recent achievements, so please throw some light on your recent achievements.
I landed an internship in Tata Steel, which you know as a Tata Inspire, and I have converted the full-time offer.
So Priyanshu got the pre-placement offer from Tata Steel here at BIT Sindri, and we'll be discussing about that in this video. So please tell us about the process. How did you go about the process during internship?
See, first of all, Tata Steel comes for internship in third year, which I think it came in last year, August. So first of all, there is resume shortlisting. First of all, what I want to tell you is that you do not have to keep any backlog active or passive, because if you have backlog, you will not be allowed to sit in the company. Then next comes the CGPA criteria. You have to be at least must have 6.5 to 7 CGPA. Then your resume will be shortlisted. Then comes a written round. In that you have an aptitude, questions from aptitude, English, reasoning, and from core as well. In core you will get questions mostly from SOM, thermo, and fluids.
Okay, so there was APTI GD and interview. So in the GD, how to go about the GD and what was the topic during your time in the group discussion?
See, first of all, what I have to say for GD is be confident and please put your points thoroughly, because there you must have the confidence and you must back your points. And the topic for my GD was basically it's more about AI, EV, the topics which are generally common nowadays for every GD.
It was a 2 month internship, and after that it got converted into a full-time offer. So where was the location of this Inspire internship, Priyanshu?
So the location for all of the students who got the internship was basically Jamshedpur, but my was Tata Steel Gamaria. It is near Jamshedpur only. And the topic of my project was study of lubrication systems in wire rod mill to increase the efficiency of hydraulic fluid index and lubrication fluid index.
Okay, in the later part of the video, we are going to discuss about what all subjects you should focus on if you are from mechanical engineering and targeting reputed firms like Tata Steel here on campus in BIT Sindhi. But before that, like the students have the question is since you landed the pre-placement offer, so what is the CTC offered and what was the stipend during the internship?
Basically, the stipend for the internship was 40,000 per month, and the internship was of 2 months. And the CTC which Tata Steel is offering this year is approx 12.4 LPA.
Someone is from the core mechanical engineering, like how they should focus, what all things they should keep in mind to focus on Tata Steel Inspire internship and to get the pre-placement offer.
First of all, what I will say is you must keep your CGPA a decent one, like at least 6.5 to 7 to be in the safer zone. And for the written exam for aptitude, you must have a good command over English and aptitude, as these are the basic requirements for cracking any written exam. And in the core, you must thoroughly go through SOM, strength of material, thermo, mate, and you can also go through the fluid mechanics part, as these are the very vital for cracking any internship or placements.
Now, since you told about the CGPA, so your CGPA and your 10th 12th marks, Priyanshu.
So in 10th I got 92% and in 12th I got 91.6%, and my overall CGPA is approx 7.8.
So guys, 7.8 from mechanical means it is really a good CGPA, 7.8. Like you can consider him to be in the top 25 or top 20 of the batch here at BIT Sindhi. So anything above 7.5 is really safe here at BIT Sindhi. So you were one of the very few out of 120 or 125 students here at Mechanical that was shortlisted for the final round, that is interview. So how was your interview? How did you go about that, and what were some of the things that they asked in the interview?
So the first of all the written exam took place. Then after that the psychometry, and within a week the interview started. First of all there was a GD round, as I have told you earlier, and after shortlisting in GD came the interview same day. After 10 minutes the interview started. So in the interview, first of all they will ask you the basic questions and HR questions, your family background. Then they come to you to the core. In that, if your luck is good, they will ask which are your favorite subject, or in which subject do you command the most. So I told them thermo. So they started asking question from thermo. The first question was about the VCRS cycle. You must go through all the cycles. These are the very basic things which they are gonna ask. Like first they ask some HR questions. Tell me about yourself. You must prepare a good intro for that, so that these are eye catching, मतलब कि वो समझे कि तुम क्या हो. फिर after that they will ask about your VT is one of the most important thing which I must tell you must go through thoroughly, because they are gonna ask questions from VT, and core question may also come from the VT related to topics like if you have done from any power plant, they will ask you about that power plant. And for example, a question came to me about the Rankine cycle, VCRS cycle. These are the basic which you must go through, and you must have the conceptual clarity that one short videos will not work. You have to go through whole syllabus. Like you must go through all the concepts thoroughly, especially subjects like strength of material, thermodynamics, material engineering, and you may also go through the fluid mechanics. And that one short videos will not work. You have to go through whole syllabus, and it may contain videos up to 60 to 70 lectures. That means 60-70 hours you have to give to a subject to master it.
And guys, as Priyanshu has told, like if you are doing VT from certain organization, make sure that whatever core concepts are involved in your projects, you have the detailed knowledge about that, and your subjects like your core mechanical subject, whatever branch you are from, electrical, mechanical, metal, these are the preferred branches for Tata Steel on campus. Like, so you should prepare your core subjects, strength of material, Priyanshu told, material engineering, thermodynamics. So he's very bright student, he has a detailed knowledge on this subject, and told about the CGPA 7.8, 10 12th marks also. So what they look for is guy with decent communication skill and good technical knowledge. Now this question might be a bit controversial, like your club, Priyanshu.
So I want to make clear one thing, that club doesn't play any role in your internship or placements. As you do not know me till now, because I am not active in any club and I have not joined any club or society. So you can see that without joining any clubs or societies, you can get the best placement of the college. So there is a myth about clubs and societies that you have to join to gain the experience. I am not saying that it is not useful, it is worth, but if you are able to gain that experience without joining any club, and if you want to focus on your studies and academics, then if you do not join any club, it will not play any negative role, and the company is not going to ask you that which club you are or which society you are in, because it doesn't have any role in the company.
Okay guys, I hope you have got the answer, but thing is ki you will get exposure on joining club. Rest what Priyanshu told, everything is correct, and it was really a pleasure, Priyanshu, that you have come to share some tips.
Thanks a lot for inviting me.
And guys, I hope you found the content useful. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure to share the video in the whatever branches Tata Steel comes to recruit. Make sure to share this video, and whatever doubts you have, you can write it down in the comment section. And thanks a lot if you have watched till the very end. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you.